Hey guys, I got a new loom today. It's the Loops and Thread Knit Quick Chunky Loom Set. So it's a two-piece set. The gauge of this, oh my, it's huge. You're wanting to knit with like just straight roving or just the largest possible yarn you can find. You can see the picture here. See her hands compared to the stitch right there. And here's a picture of the back. Look how large the yarn is that she's using. That is huge. But you would be able to knit up a hat so incredibly quick with these. Or a scarf, or maybe even a shawl. Wow, these are huge. Okay, I gotta get another loom to show you guys just as comparison to this loom. Okay, now this one is the long loom and hook knit quick loom. See the difference? This is my 41 peg in the Attic Flex loom, which the diameter of the big one, it's about the same. It's a little bigger, but look at the pegs, at the difference. The gauge of this is massive. Let's see if I have a tape measure handy and I'll actually show you up close. Oops. Kitty cat sitting back there. Okay. So the gauge, it's coming up on almost 2 inches. Wow. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this loom. I'm just imagining all the things that I can make so quick with this. Now it's extremely lightweight. As with any plastic looms, just be careful. The plastic, of course, are not as durable as the wooden looms are, or the ones that are made out of like the nylon or the rubber or any, those other materials, because this feels like it may be like the recycled plastic. But I like the collars. It's definitely a loom I don't have. The gauging kind of reminds me of the Zippy loom, but the pegs are a lot smaller. So I think you'll actually be able to get a better stitch with this. Now I haven't used it yet, and I will do videos and show you guys. Now it just shows a basic hat. Cast on to cast off. It has it in like 3 different languages. Yeah. So it comes with directions just for basic E-wrap hat, which is needle knitting. E-wrap is your twisted knit stitch. But I will do some videos and show some different stitches on this and make up some items. But I'm going to have to buy more yarn. Unless I'm doing like lace on it. Because this is, right now, this is the thickest yarn I have. It's a super bulky and it's a 6. And I'd have to run probably 3 strands of this together to get a tight knit on this. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun. Okay, guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please, you can leave them in the comment section below. I did buy these at Michael's, by the way. You can also email me. My email is in the description below as well. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. And, guys, have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe.